As healthcare workers, we owe it to our patients to keep them as safe and healthy as possible. They place their trust in us, and we demonstrate our commitment by example. That is why it's important to protect them during flu season, by protecting yourself and your family. Our goal is for all Pennsylvanians to live healthy lives. The flu vaccine is the single most important thing you can do to prevent the spread of influenza in hospitals, clinics, and care facilities. This short video should help you make the right decision about getting vaccinated. Thank you for everything you do for your patients, and be well.
We're part of an elite, noble corps of hardworking, dedicated professionals. Our weapons are powerful: technology, compassion, empathy, dedication, and knowledge.
We're Pennsylvania healthcare workers, and we're on the front lines in the all-important fight against infections.
That's why it's vital to earn our stripe. No matter what your responsibilities, earning your stripe means you've earned the trust of your patients and coworkers. Earning your stripe means you've been vaccinated against influenza.
Did you know that each year in this country, tens of thousands of people die from the flu and its complications? So it doesn't matter whether you're a secretary, doctor, nurse, a dietary aide, volunteer, or if you're in housekeeping. Getting vaccinated is a vital step in keeping you, your families, and your patients healthy throughout flu season.
That's why healthcare workers across Pennsylvania are doing their part, getting the injection or nasal spray.
It's our best defense against the forces of influenza, because the flu has powerful weapons too.
Weapon 1, stealth. You can spread the flu bug everywhere you go for 24 hours before you have any symptoms. Think of all the patients, coworkers, and family members you see in an average day.
Weapon 2, impact. When those symptoms start hitting, they hit hard. You can miss a lot of work, especially if you have complications. And if you try to work while you're sick, you can spread it to your patients and other healthcare workers trying to care for them. And don't forget your family. You can spread the flu to them too.
Weapon 3, misinformation. It's the most powerful weapon in the influenza arsenal. We cannot let the myths and misconceptions about the flu vaccine prevent us from earning our stripe. No flu vaccine, neither the injection nor the nasal spray, causes the flu. The trace amounts of preservatives in the vaccine are harmless. If you don't like getting an injection, the nasal spray is just as effective. And finally, even if you haven't had the flu in years, you are not immune. Anyone can be infected, especially healthcare workers who spend time with sick patients. In fact, unvaccinated healthcare workers can be the source of flu outbreaks in clinical settings.
So let's all do our part.
Let's earn our stripe and get the flu vaccine.
If we unite against the forces of influenza together,
we can make Pennsylvania healthier.